Today I'm going to be talking about the Conair hair dryer. This is actually compact and it does go through and fold, which makes it great for travel. Let's go and show you the unboxing and then we're going to show you the product in use. So you can see as it comes out here, it's a really nice red. So I really do like this red. It really shines. And also it does come with some attachments. It comes with a direct nozzle that's going to go through and help with getting frizz out of your hair if you use it correctly. And also there's a diffuser as well. The hair dryer also does go through and fold, and I'm going to go through and play the sounds for you so you can hear it on low and high. And there's also a blue button in the back. When you hit that blue button, that's going to be pushing colder air. So here are those sounds. The power cord does also have a breaker on it, which is great. So you might have to push the red button in, and then afterwards, if there's a problem with the electric, it's going to go through and pop it so it doesn't hurt the hair dryer like what happened to my last one. So here we are with the hair dryer. I'm going to go through and dry my hair. If you haven't noticed, it's a bit wet. It is 1875 watts, so it's going to be powerful, and it's going to go through and dry your hair pretty quickly. While I'm going through and drying my hair, I'm going to lower the volume. That way you're not blasted out by the hair drying sound. Let's go and start on low and go from there. And we'll go to high. That did not take too long. It feels pretty dry already. It is probably a little wet over here, I guess. There we go. It did a good job, and it does also have a button here that's going to blow cold air. So if you don't want the hot air, you can go through and cool it off by pressing this. I have tried this, and it is much cooler. The heat is there. It's a solid range. It might not be quite as hot as my last hair dryer, but it's definitely solid, and I was holding it back further away. Now keep in mind, this does fold. So when you want to fold it, you go through and just fold it this way. Kind of an odd fold, but it does work, and it's going to go ahead and make it smaller for you. The folding isn't just for travel. It can help even around the house. It actually didn't fit in my drawer until I folded it, and then I was able to put it in my bathroom drawer. So that's a really nice feature. Keep in mind, this is going to give you a tiny bit of wobble. So you can see here, it wobbles just a tiny bit. Not much, though, to really be concerned about. And it probably gives you a little more motion as you're drying your hair, so that probably works to your favor. After trying the INFINITIPRO Conair hair dryer, yeah, I think it's definitely a great one to get. I love the color of it. It looks really nice and shiny, and it's very solid. Don't forget you get the attachments as well. Great deal. I definitely recommend it, and I will be purchasing it again if I need to. My name is Kevin from Helpful Tutorials, and I hope this was helpful.